Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make chicken veggie patties. These are one of my favorite hidden vegetable recipes and they are so easy to make. First you're going to need half a cup of shredded cooked chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of grated zucchini, 1/3 cup of grated carrots, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and mix together until well combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then using a spoon or ice cream scooper, scoop the mixture onto the pan. This recipe makes 8 patties, so I like to cook 4 patties at a time. Then use a spoon to flatten them into a patty form. Cook until golden brown and then flip and cook for a few minutes. My daughter absolutely loves these chicken veggie patties. You can serve these with your favorite sauce. We enjoy these as is. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!